Welcome to Trex Academy, where you can learn everything you need to know about building your deck project. In this video, we'll show you how to install Trex Signature X Series anchor posts. The Trex Signature X Series anchor post is a highly configurable modular post that can accommodate end, line, and corner configurations, and can be adapted to various infills in the Trex Signature X Series product line. The tools required for proper installation include a minimum 18-volt impact driver, a minimum 18-volt drill, 9/16" drill bit, level, tape measure, 3/4 inch socket or wrench, and a hammer. Each X Series post comes with one X Series anchor post, which includes one post core, 4 corner covers, and 3 side covers. Also included are one post cap, 4 1/2" by 6" stainless steel hex bolts, 4 stainless steel washers, 4 T-nuts, and 4 bolt caps. The side and corner covers are designed to be removed, depending on your finished application. The corner covers can only be slid in and out. The side covers can slide or be snapped in and out. Additional required materials for each post installation that are not supplied with post kit. Blocking material with a minimum requirement spec of 2 by 8" pressure-treated southern pine or an equivalent. 3" pressure-treated compatible wood screws. You will need 36 screws for each post installed. If you're installing blocking at the deck corners, install the bracing in between the joists at the appropriate measurement. Attach the cross bracing using a total of 12 3" pressure-treated compatible wood screws. You will need to install 2 2x8 boards as blocking under each post location. To ensure your blocking is fully secured at installation, use a total of 24 3" pressure-treated compatible wood screws. Blocking installed for a straight run also requires the minimum 2 by 8" cross bracing frames in between joists at 7 1/4 inches. Attach using a total of 12 3" pressure-treated compatible wood screws. You will need to install 2 2 by 8" boards as blocking under each post location. To ensure your blocking is fully secured at installation, use a total of 24 3" pressure-treated compatible wood screws. Once all your post locations have been cross-braced and blocked, proceed with installation of your preferred Trex decking material. To mount your post, you need to determine the inside edge of framing and measure in a minimum of 1 inch from edge of blocking. If measuring from corner, please ensure you are at least 1 inch in from both inside frame edges. Using your post as a template, mark the hole locations for the post mounting bolts using the 9/16" drill bit. Set your post aside and drill through the decking and blocking using the same 9/16" drill bit. A long bit will be required to cover the depth. Slide corner covers up for easier access while installing the bolts. Attach your post using the 4 1/2" by 6" hex bolts, washers, and T-nuts. Be sure to place the washers in the correct location. Important: thread T onto the bolt until it is flush with the end of bolt. Do not extend the bolt beyond the T-nut. Hammer the T-nut into the blocking until teeth are fully embedded into your blocking. Hammer only the T-nut, not the actual bolt end. Using an impact driver with a 3/4 inch socket, fully tighten bolt until post is secure. Do not push down on the bolt while tightening. Use a level on the sides of your post to ensure your post remains plumb. Tighten bolts or shim to achieve plumb if needed. Install the bolt caps by aligning hex shadow line on inner cap with the bolt head and snap into place. Then push the outer cap onto the inner cap. A post cap will need to be installed after your railing of choice has been installed. For more videos on how to install Trex products, visit trex.com/academy. Thanks for watching.